Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It has been long since my voice was heard on this channel. I've just been busy with a whole lot of things. I think I shared on one of my channels that I decided to go to school this year. I'm doing a master's degree, and on the side I'm still running my businesses. I still have family, I still have a lot of things to do, so but in any case, I think I've worked out a routine now where I need to start doing videos again, just to share with you guys the knowledge that I have. I still have been trading. I've been studying, I've been doing all the other things, and I still have been trading. I've just not been finding time to sit down and do videos. I do apologize for that. If you felt I've abandoned you guys, no, I haven't. I'm still alive, I'm still there, I'm still trading, I'm still doing robots, I'm still doing a lot of stuff. And in the coming videos I'm going to start trying to share what I've been doing as well regarding trading and robots as well. So today's video, I saw on one previous video somebody requested that I show them a simple robot that can trade Parabolic Sar. I think Parabolic Sar is one of those old trading strategies that we all know. They're classic, and I think I will not say I made a lot of money with them, but I think I managed to catch a good trend one day, and I did make money. I apologize for my voice. I did make money trading Parabolic Sar, and you can this is a simple strategy. It's simple because, as you can see here, when the price goes above the Parabolic Sar, you you buy, and you start trailing the trade. Then when the price drops below the Parabolic Sar, you are expected to sell and also protect yourself, and you can actually check the trend. If the trend is going up, then you are only looking for buys. If the trend is dropping down, you are only looking for sales. Don't try to sell in an uptrend or try to buy in a downtrend, especially with robots. That's a recipe for disaster. So how do we turn this into a simple robot? That's what I'm going to just show you, and you can do this for free. You don't need to pay anybody. Very simple and straightforward. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any of our future videos. I've also launched a new blog that I'm going to be posting, updating, and sharing all the knowledge that I've gained in trading, the pairs to trade, what to do, and things like that. And I'm also going to be sharing the robots that I make with these videos. So go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description box below. It's still in a draft stage, but we are getting there with it. So yeah, let's get on with it. So we are going to use a simple Forex Robot builder called Forex EA Advisor. I think you have seen this, me using this on this channel for some time, and it has its pros and it has its cons. So I must tell you that. So you can actually make robots for MT5 for free, and you can make robots for MetaTrader 4 for free without paying anybody, and you just need to understand your strategy. That's the goal of this channel. If you have a strategy that's straightforward, you can turn it into a robot that probably can trade for you, and you can become a billionaire one day, who knows. And you're probably going to come back and give me $1,000 or $2,000 just as a thank you. But in any case, so if we go to our robot builder today, I'm going to use the MT5. I know many people are going to MT5, and here you can make MT5 robots, unlike on FX Dreamer, which limits you to MetaTrader 4 if you don't have the paid subscription. So yeah, so the first condition we need to set is for a buy. So let's get on with it. For a buy, we need price to be above the Parabolic Sar. So how do we do that? Buy condition. First, we need to have price. Where is my price? I can say the close of the candle. I can say the close of the candle. The close of the candle. Shift, you can use 0. the close of the candle, I'm saying it needs to be, let's see if there is no other better option. Okay, the close of the candle. We are going to use the close of the candle. You already know about candles. If you didn't know about candles, the bullish candles, they open at the bottom and they close at the top. And the bearish candles, they open at the top and they close at the bottom. So that's just for candles. So we need the close of the candle. Or you can use moving average 1. If you are not sure about candles, you can use a moving average 1. So close of candle, it needs to be above Parabolic Sar. That's the Sar. And you can set whatever you want the Parabolic Sar to be. Maybe just say 5, maybe 10. Shift, I'll just use 0 there. Use the whatever settings for Parabolic Sar that you want to use. Again, here you can still come here and maybe just say moving average, and maybe you say exponential. We say period 1. If you want to go the root of sorry, this is 0. If you want to go the root of the moving average, you use EMA price. We are going to still use close. Shift, we are going to use 0. So it's basically up to you whether you use close of the candle or you use moving average 1. So that's that. We just say close of the candle, and here you can actually add more conditions that you might want to make sure that it's indeed a buy. Maybe you can add MACD, RSI conditions and stuff like that, but let's just remove that for now. Let's just use this plain strategy. Then to open a sell, we want the close again to be below. Shift, we are going to use 0 to be below this and we say 5, 10. You can basically follow along. I don't need to say anything, just follow along like that. And to close a buy, we are going to use these same conditions. At the moment the sell conditions appear, we want to close any buys, so we're just copying these same conditions. Again, here you can use moving average 1, but anyway, close buy, we want the close of the candle to be below our Parabolic Sar, our random settings there. I'm not saying these settings are going to make you money. These are just random settings that I'm using because I'm just trying to show you something. And again, we close for a sell. We need, the moment we have a buy, it means we are no longer selling, so we use the conditions of a buy to close any sales. So we price must be above this and like that. Shift is going to be 0, and then we go to options. You can put in whatever magic number that you want. The magic number is used by the robot so that they understand the particular trades that it took, so that it can identify that it is the robot. It's the one that took these particular trades, and separate them from the robots that the trades that probably were taken by another robot that you might be running on the same account, or manual trades that you might have taken. So lot size, you decide on the lot size that you want to use. I usually recommend the bare minimum lot size. For some it's 0.01, for some it's actually 0.10. So stop loss, decide on a stop loss that you want. The textbook one is usually 30 pips. Take profit, maybe we do a 1:2, so that will probably be 60 pips. Or you don't want to use that, because what I noticed with this the robots that we make here is, as long as the condition let me go back a bit. If you notice here, unlike on FX Dreamer, we don't have a condition that says do this only at the cross. So usually what happens here is the moment you still have price above Parabolic Sar, if you close this trade at TP, if you close the trade at TP, let's see, go back. If you close the trade at TP, it will open a new one because the condition is still valid. Price is still above the Parabolic Sar. So that's the downside with this. That's the cons that I've been talking about. So as if you set a TP here, but because price is still above the Parabolic Sar, it will open a new trade, which will be good in this scenario, but sometimes it's bad in a scenario where then price turns against you and you lose that trade. So just keep it zero. Let's just keep it at 0, or keep it blank. We'll use these this close buy, close sell conditions. Then you can set a trailing stop. I don't know how much you want to set it by. 0 is to disable the trailing stop, so maybe 0 is to also disable the TP. Then after that, you come back, you come here where it says expert advisor code, and here it says generate MQL5. That's the code that you are going to get, and you just click on that. This is the code for that robot that we just made here. Now you can come here and you rename your robot. Today is it's Wednesday in May. We call it Wednesday May Robot. How is that for creativity? Wednesday May Robot. And the moment you click save, you are going to download the MQL5 file for this robot. There it is. So I've done a video already on this channel about how to use MQ4 and MQ5 files that you get from this platform as well as FX Dreamer. Go and watch that video. It's very simple to use MQ5 and MQ4 files in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Okay, so that's it about turning this strategy into a Forex robot. Very easy to do. Very easy to do. Again, I apologize for being quiet. I'm back now. I'm going to start making these videos. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Also see the links in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.